Hi everyone, this is Fred here wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year as we end 2023. I hope you have learned something and I hope you have practiced something. So this day I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and thank you for your support. Thank you for the interaction that we have had as dairy farmers, and I am looking forward to upload more informative, educative content of your choice that we share information by all means possible. So I just want to thank you. I just want to wish you, may you have a wonderful Christmas and take care of your well-being, take care of your cows, and surprise your cows today with anything that you feel they deserve for Christmas. So I just want to thank you. I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the cooperation that we have had, and thank you for each and every subscriber. Each and every subscriber, I don't take you for granted. I thank you. This far it's God. Yeah, this channel started this year and we are not going to edit. We are going to keep on upgrading it day in, day out. So have a wonderful Merry Christmas and take care.